If you try to edit cinematic mode video on Final Cut Pro, you will notice it has this weird effect. That's because of HDR. I'm going to show you how to fix that effect, and this will work on Macs. Firstly, download iMovie from the App Store on your Mac. And iMovie, for whatever reason, has support for these HDR video clips. And this is pretty much what I've been using to edit my cinematic mode video. But how do you get this into Final Cut, you may say? So I just put this cinematic mode video in. Then I can go up here and I can export it. So I just name it cinematic mode, and then this is my MacBook, so I'm going to put cinematic mode MacBook Pro. Put quality to high, compress, it doesn't really matter. So then I can export this. I'm just going to export to documents. And then on my Mac, it takes a couple seconds to export. Then we can go back over to Final Cut, and then I can just drag and drop this in, or I can import it. And that's pretty much how you can get it to work in Final Cut Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you, and goodbye.